I brought this side dish from my close friend. So salty and delicious. My daughter filled out some eggs in the refrigerator. Just egg. 60 cc water, almost 1 egg amount. I am seasoning fish sauce. It's okay, salt. Little sesame oil, chopping onion, any vegetable okay, but I have only onion. Onion, also my daughter bought. Here, like this wrapping, as you see, it's small off. I pour. Very simple making in microwave. Just 3 minutes. Steamed egg in microwave. Not only main dish but also side dishes there are. I'm done thankfully. So spicy.